Hi guys, welcome to Hooks Hot Rods. Al here. I've been working on the pickup truck, and I've got a few things done. But before I get into the video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and definitely leave a comment. Earlier today, I was watching a video, Cold War Motors. Really good channel. Guy's an amazing metal worker. Anyways, here's what I've got done so far on the truck. You should check them out. They're a pretty good channel. I have the seats in, and I have the door panels on. Steering column and dash is all back in as well. And I also have the engine in. A couple small issues. When I set the frame up for the motor here, I didn't have the bolts in for the front spring, and my bottom pulley just touches the back of these bolts, so I've got to go and get an underdrive pulley for it. And another issue I ran into is the way the alternator bracket mounts to the intake. It's a twin 4 intake, so it's a little different. Instead of going straight in here and hooking onto the gooseneck, I had to make a bracket. I had to rework this bracket and make it come over here and bolt in there. I also had to redo this front part here and step it back to match up to this water pump. I don't know what this bracket came off of, but I've got it all made up and working now. And another issue I have is when I bought this intake, the guy told me it worked fine with the electronic ignition. It does fit in, but it touches there and it touches there, so that's all the timing adjustment you have. So I have to go and buy an intake or a small cap distributor for it. Not sure which one yet, but I'll go tomorrow and check it out. Door panels turned out pretty good. And when I close the door, they close nice, just nice and firm right on the post here itself. Same as on the front. Works good. And while I have the radiator off, I'm going to take it in and get that bottom pipe there. I need it to come up on a 45-degree angle, so I'll take it in and have it fixed as well. Got the steering column in and bolted back in, and I have the emergency brake handle in. I haven't hooked it up to the rear cables yet, but I just brought it out through the back of the cab right there, and it's going to run along each one of these rails to the rear end, and somewhere on top of those rails I'll join the two cables together so that it's not in the way of the drive shaft, and I'll be able to link them up with no problem. So hopefully this week I can get the windows. Depends on how it goes. I've got a lot to do, and I want to start plumbing up the brakes as well. Okay, so yeah, definitely check out Cold War Motors. It's a really good channel. The guy's really good at what he does. They do a lot of work on sheet metal and just getting the stuff running, period. But yeah, okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification button, and share with everybody you know. All right, thanks for watching.